Hello, my name is Avery Jackson, your product specialist. This is a video of how to add your ClarusTV channel to your Roku. First, you want to start by going to Roku.com. You can either access this through your computer or smartphone. Then you want to go to Sign In under your Roku account. If you have not created a Roku account, this is the button that you want to click on. Make sure to create an account using your username and password. Make sure to use the same email address that is associated with your network login credentials. After you've created your account, it will then take you back to the home screen. If you've already created your Roku account, you can just sign in the space provided on the left. On your home screen, you will see useful information like your account information, PIN preferences, or payment method. You can also update any of these here on this page. Back on your account page, and under where it says Manage Account, click on the Add Channel with the Code button. You will then add the channel code ClarusTV, and then click on the Add Channel button. From here, a warning message will pop up. Please keep in mind that this is a secure app, and because of broadcasting rights, we must publicize this message. After clicking OK, you will then click Yes, Add Channel. Great, and now your ClarusTV channel has been added. If you do not see your ClarusTV channel at the bottom of your Roku lineup, please go to your settings and then click Systems and then System Update and check Now. After that, you should then see your ClarusTV channel. One thing to keep in mind is when you add a channel to your Roku device, you are actually adding it to your Roku account. So as a result, the channel will automatically be added to all Roku devices linked on your Roku account. The same applies for when you remove a channel. It will also be deleted from all Roku devices. Just remember, if you have any questions, just please give us a call at 855-655-6788.